Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Well, as you can see, I've got my beanie hat on because it's absolutely freezing at the moment. I'm recording this in the UK, and at the moment we're having a bit of a cold snap, and in fact I think in different parts of the country it's actually snowing. So that's why I've got my beanie hat on, and I'm wrapping up trying to keep warm. Today what I'm going to show you is how to make a one balloon heart. Now, a balloon heart is really great because it's only one balloon and there's only one twist, so it's dead easy in that sense, but it's really tricky to try and get a nice heart shape. So I'm going to try and give you one or two tips how to get that nice heart shape. With a little bit of practice, you can usually get quite a nice, well, something that looks like a balloon heart. So without further ado, let's get twisting.
We're going to do the twist and it goes like this. Come on, let's twist again.
So what you want to do is you want to inflate your balloon all the way, so you don't want to leave anything uninflated at the end. I let a little bit of air out to keep it nice and soft, because what I find is that if you tend to really fully inflate your balloon, sometimes when you're making your heart, they can pop. So that's why I let a little bit. So how you want to start this, you want to get the knot on the end of the balloon, and you want to make a couple of really small bubbles, just like that, and give it 2 or 3 twists, just like that. So that's what you should have. You want to find the middle, and you just want to stretch the middle up like that. So give it a nice stretch. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this and I'm going to bring it down here. Hopefully you can see this. And I'm going to squeeze all the air out here where I'm just rubbing my hands. And I'm going to use both of my hands. And you're not going to see me do this, so I need to sort of lean against something while I do this. So I'm going to do it a little bit lower down near my waist while I do this, but I'll show you what my heart looks like. If you just let that go, you've not got a heart shape. So there you go, you've got an okay-ish heart. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shape this bit a little bit. I'm going to bring it down here, and I'm just going to sort of work it into a sort of circle. And I'm going to do the same at this side as well. So just work it a bit, and then I'm just going to do the same again. Just squeeze all the air out and stretch that little bit down to the bottom. And as you can see, we've got a really nice kind of heart shape there. So you can do this in pink, you can do it in purple, you can do it in red, you can even do a blue heart if you want. But I hope that has helped with this design, because it is a little bit tricky. And again, I'm just going to give it one final squeeze. You see, if the more you squeeze it in here, you get more of a kink, and that's quite a nice heart shape because I've got a really nice kink there, and that will last. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you like this, hit the like, the thumbs up, the like icon, and also press the bell icon if you do subscribe. But until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.